Yo homes, welcome back to another Illustrator tutorial, and in this one I'll teach you how to modify stock icons so that they feel on brand with the rest of the icons you're using. So let's begin. Now you might be wondering why would one want to modify an icon. So firstly, we need icons a lot depending on the project, especially when it comes to projects related to UI UX designs and developments. And the best option of course is creating the icons from scratch so that every single icon looks cohesive with each other and on point on brand, but that's not the practical approach, especially in case the client isn't paying you that well enough, which is most of the cases. So the second best option is to collect icons from stock sites. You can even get free icons. Many stock sites provide that, but the problem with them is they you won't get all the icons in the same style, at least not close enough to feel like they are all from a part of the same set, and that and using them directly will hamper the quality of your design and your work won't look as professional as it could otherwise, and we can't let that happen, right? We are professionals. So let's move on with the tutorial how we can change that. Biggest thing that gives away that two icons are not from the same set is the difference in their weight. So we will be changing that, making the weights as equal as possible and make them look the same. To do that, we will be adding some outline strokes to the icons. To do that, just add an outline stroke and control the weight of the stroke from the properties panel. Use a color for the stroke that makes it easy for you to differentiate between the fill and the stroke. Now there are two things we can do with that. You can either increase the weight or decrease the weight. In case of increasing the weight, we make sure that the fill and the stroke together makes the weight you are looking for, and in case you want to decrease the weight, just keep adjusting the weight of the stroke till the fill minus the stroke equals to the weight you are trying to reach. Now we will outline the strokes. To outline the stroke, select the icon, the object, go to object, and you'll get an object menu, and from there you will get an option to outline the stroke. As for me, I use the option of outlining strokes a lot, so I have created a personalized shortcut for that. You can do that too from the preference option from the file name. The shortcut I created, which I use, is Command Shift O in Mac or Control Shift O in Windows. With the strokes outlined, now it's time to remove them or add them depending on whether you are increasing or decreasing the weight. If you are increasing the weight, your work is done. Just change the color of the icon along with the stroke to the appropriate color scheme. Now if you are decreasing the weight, we will have to remove the weight parts with the help of the shape builder tool. The shortcut is Shift plus M, and using that we will select the object along with the outline strokes and remove the strokes by pressing the option key. Like, we will drag on the areas with the option key pressed, that will minus the shape. If you want to add the shapes, just drag it on with the mouse or touchpad pressed. As for me, I work directly on the touchpad. So So, whom this completes the tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe for more. Like the video if you liked it. Share the video to help out your other professional friends or hobbyists. I'm not judging. I hope this will help you to make your works look even more professional than it already is. All the best with your next creative projects. Thanks for watching again. See ya. Stay above the crowd. And bye bye. Matane.